What's up, everybody? Today we are doing a photo shoot with Roberto.
What's up, y'all?
My boy. We're gonna be doing a roller skating shoot. Plus, I'm gonna be taking some portraits of him. It is going to be extremely fun. Let's go. Today I am rocking the Sony a7 III and I have the Zeiss 55mm 1.8. I also brought my other lenses. We're gonna see what Roberto does and determine what framing and focal length I really need. All right, Roberto is showing me his tricks that he's got. So I make sure I snap some good. Ooh, you can do an ollie? All right, I'm gonna switch this shooting mode to continuous. Let's start with just rolling around and doing stuff in circles and I'll just catch you, you know, you just do your thing. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm gonna increase the shutter speed a touch. Make sure we're freezing him in his action. Oh, dude, that's so cool. How long have you been rollerblading? Whoa!
A few years, but I just got these. These are different. These are aggressive inlines.
What's the difference?
2 wheels.
2 wheels, okay.
I mean, these are more for like grinding and stuff. I'm gonna try to jump this right now.
You can jump this? I'm gonna try to frame it right now because he's gonna jump it. Oh, dude, that's sick.
I'm scared. I've never done that before. That wasn't bad.
That is freaking cool.
Yeah.
Can you do a jump right around this point? You see this line here?
Right here?
If you could try to do it there. Yes. Yeah, do that for me. Oh, sir, you are mid-air. Oh, dude. Oh, that one is freaking cool, dude. Cool, look at you.
Oh yeah, that one's dope.
That is dope.
Dude, that quality's sick. Hold on, I'll take you one over here.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. Yeah, look at me. Hold on. Stay there, stay there. All right, look at me. Oh shit, yeah. Hey, don't move, okay? Don't move. I want to switch lenses. I'm gonna make this look good with this lens. All right, look at me. Yeah. Let me do one of this framing.
See your photos.
See? Yeah, look at me. Yep. Perfect. You look good.
Guaranteed some honeys.
Ooh,
oh yeah,
Roberto.
I'm copping.
Roberto. While we still have a little bit of light, let me get a headshot real quick of you. Maybe if you come over here for me. Yeah, right here. Yeah. And try to put your shoulders back a touch more. Yeah. Yep. Look at this guy.
Not
Look at
bad,
this guy.
man,
Put your chin down.
Yeah, hold on, I gotta
Yeah.
do
Put your
now.
chin down a touch. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And keep your face. I mean your head pointing that way, and then look at me with only your eyes. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, there
Roberto!
we go.
Let's go.
It's crispy, man.
It is crispy. Don't worry. If I'm taking a picture, it's gonna be crispy. Yeah, this is a cool pose whenever you do something like this. Yeah. And then look at me. Yep. Perfect. Hold on. Those,
my eyes just open.
Those smoky eyes. Look at those smoky eyes, Roberto.
Yeah, you know I'm high. Yeah, he smokes.
Can we do a more artistic one where you're sitting over here
Like
and yeah, and you're kind of like looking out more. Yeah. And then bring your head a little bit closer and then tilt your head like this way a bit. Yeah. Now, yeah, look out. Look towards the trees or towards Poppy's Tacos for me. Yeah, exactly. This is more your...
Yeah, this is more my style right here, looking off to the distance.
Yeah. Bro, look how stoic you look right now.
Oh yeah, that's
the stoicism.
It's the hair, man.
The stoicism. We got that sharp eye, bro. The sharp eye. Yeah, make sure it's in focus. Make sure it's looking good. All right, let's do some more tricks. And this time, actually, before you do more tricks, can I get a shot of you with the skates? Maybe you're like standing like this with the skates or something. Is that a cool stance? Yeah. But I want to get it so that the framing is like here. Skate across that area doing that for me. Yeah, again. Yeah, if you can look at me while you do that. Oh, whoa, whoa, don't die, Roberto. Fixing the jacket. Now do like a standing one where you're standing like this, but do like this. Like
this?
Like put your like fists together, like, yeah, exactly. Now, let me fix this collar if you don't mind real quick.
Should we pop or?
No, collar. You know, it looks classy without the pop collar.
Yeah.
Fix the jacket right here. Yeah, exactly. And then, yeah, exactly. If you can like move a smidge to the, oh yeah, you're on skates, I forgot. Yeah, look at me. Yes.
Solid.
With the framing.
Hell yeah, I look tall too.
Let me make you look taller. Let me make you look taller right here. Yeah, look at the camera. Oh my God, what are you, like 8'11"?
Yeah, I like to brag. Oh yeah, I'm massive.
You're huge. You've been lifting, bro?
I'm gonna say 6'5" on my Tinder profile.
6'5". You said you could jump 3 stairs? All right, wait a second. What are you gonna jump? You're gonna jump these stairs? All right, do it. Dude. Could you do one more, or?
I can do one more.
Just one more. But don't die. Oh, careful. Careful, you okay?
Okay.
That was the best one. Look at this.
Oh yeah,
Those
that's the
two
one
right
that's
there. Oh my God, dude.
Even though I didn't land it,
or
that's
even that
perfect.
one right there.
Yeah, those are dope.
Oh my God. And
I feel like I had to fail to make it perfect.
let me get a wide shot. Yeah, right here. If you could stand right here for me. Oh shit. You look so damn cool. Look at you.
Who is it? That's not me.
That's
Come
you,
on,
bro. Look at Roberto right here. Look at Roberto. These ones are really good.
Yeah, those are nice.
We
Those
got-
are crispy, bro.
Skate around for me, do your thing. I got a 20, yeah, I gotta get a 24. I gotta get a little closer to him. Oh yeah, do that again. Circle around me. Oh my God, yeah, this is cool, dude. I'm gonna do a video too. So do that same thing where you're turning around me. Yeah, just keep skating. Yeah, check it out. Roberto!
Let's go, man. On the way to see your girl. Is that how I always look?
Yeah, you look good, man. That's why all the ladies be talking about you.
That's all I got for skating tricks.
Okay, okay. Let's do some portraits now. Let's go to a different location. We're going to location 2 to take some more portraits of my boy. All right, we found this little location. We're gonna take some pictures of Roberto here because I got some leading lines that are gonna look amazing. We're gonna go 1.8 for this guy. And I wanna get right on this leading line right here. Yeah, Roberto. And look at me. Yeah. Look out into the distance and think about waffles. I'm gonna do a headshot now. Look at me with only your eyes. Yeah. Power stance.
Yo.
Power
I gotta
stance.
drop an album now.
This is always a good shot on the bridge if there's nobody walking by. And for this pose, I want you to put your hands in your pockets and I want you to put weight on your back leg. Come closer. Yeah, just like that. That's perfect. Yeah. All right, I gotta get the frame right for this. Put your hands in your pockets now. Put weight on your back leg. Now look at me. Yep.
Oh yeah, dang, I love that one.
Yeah. You having fun?
Oh, bud, I should have, yeah, hell yeah.
We just took some shots. I forgot to hit record.
Yo, that's your boy right here.
We got some shots of Roberto looking powerful. Look at the difference between the open versus the fists.
Yeah, I look like a bitch there, and then like I'm right there, I'm ready to fuck your girl.
Yeah. They look more powerful. Exactly. Exactly.
Maybe, how does this look?
Yeah, why not? Maybe we can do a shot like
The way
that.
you said that was definitely like a
No. Let's do that, but let's wait until the bridge is empty a bit, and then you're like kind of walking down the bridge, right? Okay, now walk towards me. Get more towards the center. Yeah, now walk towards me. Yeah. Yeah, this is a photo shoot right here, bro.
Oh, that's nice, bro. That's
Look at that one. The one where you're looking away.
fucking kidding me?
Oh,
Bro, that's some
crank that.
sponsorship for H&M or something.
Yo, H&M, where you at? Yeah, that's right. Where you at?
We got H&M or American Eagle. I don't care, man.
Yeah, walk towards me. That one's sick.
Yeah.
Oh, that strut. The strut.
Try to get the walk out. I'm trying to get the walk out. Come on.
Let's do one this side because maybe some light will be hitting your face a little bit better. Yeah. Further back and then more towards the middle. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Look at you, Roberto. Sheesh. Look at this guy.
Yo, where am I going?
I don't know. But I want to know.
Those are good. Those are hella good.
Those are incredibly good. Stand over here for me. Yeah. We got some orange lights behind you that may look good. Look away and then slowly look towards me. Oh my God, Roberto, stop. That's too much.
Let's go.
Look, I can see me in your eye.
Oh, you can.
Yeah.
You can.
That's how good these cameras are nowadays.
Wow.
Yeah. I want to get a shot. Oh man, the fire is a little far away because I want like a shot of you with the fire. Maybe we can try something. We can try something. Maybe like sit over there. Oh, this I like that heat.
Good. Hell yeah.
Yeah, sit over there, Roberto.
Oh, dude. Look at this man.
Yo, Tregan, what's up? Get down here.
Come down here.
Dude, that was so good. Do that again. Do that again. Do your poses. Do your thing. Put your hands through your hairs, right? But with one hand only. One hand. Oh my God, Roberto! You can't put this anywhere online, dude. Look how good you look.
Oh, damn.
Look at with the flames.
Yo.
Oh, that's, dude. Look at the flame to your.
That's unreal. That's unreal.
That's the winner.
That's
Do you
it,
see
dude.
this, dude? Holy dude, look at this.
Come on.
All these other ones are good too, but that one with the flame wrapping around.
That's the winner right there.
Oh my God.
That's it, man. Good work, man.
Look at this. Look.
That's it.
I saw the flame and I'm like, that's light right there. That's light.
Those are crispy, man.
That's all the shots I have for you. The
Yeah,
light has
those
faded.
Are great, man.
How
Thank
was
you
the
very much.
experience?
Those were awesome, guys.
Tell the people on YouTube.
Make sure you guys get some pictures. Probably not gonna be as good because I'm a little cuter. But our man here works the magic.